Father's last name for our son.
Oh, okay, okay. You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
We were married, got a divorce a couple years back. The last 6 years of our son's life, our son's 6, have been not easy, but between us, we're pretty amicable. We get along, and a lot of decisions we make together for our son. We're coming into this new decision here soon of what our son's going to go into for school and different programs.
Miss Stewart shocks the courtroom by revealing she still carries her ex-husband's last name for their son's sake. Though the couple has been divorced for years, a new request pulls them back before the judge. What looks like peaceful co-parenting suddenly shifts into conflict. The real issue isn't the name. It's an expensive demand that could change everything.
Our son's going to go into for school and different programs. He has been paying child support, but the dues that are going to come up with school are going to be more.
Okay.
And I wanted to try and get more child support, hopefully to split the difference in the cost of that.
Okay, how much is he paying you right now in child support?
$430.
Okay. And what is it that you're asking in terms of the split?
Our son's dues are going to be $1,100 for the new school.
What school is this?
It's a private school, but he's a brilliant boy.
She isn't asking for more support for herself, but for her son's education. Stewart insists he must attend a private school costing over $1,100 monthly. Currently, the father pays $430 in child support. The question becomes, is this truly about improving the boy's future, or is there another motive? But wait until the details of this school are revealed.
Yeah. What school is this?
It's a private school, but he's a brilliant boy, and I think we've done a great job raising him, so to put him into a school that really fits his personality and his education level, I think we agree is important for him. So.
Okay. And what do you have to say about this?
Well, you know, I kind of let her make those decisions.
In terms of the school, you're okay with the school?
In terms of the school, I'm okay. I trust her. It's actually, you know, splitting it is going to be more on the front end, but it's actually less. I looked it up, and it's 9 months.
In a rare turn, the father admits he trusts her judgment and agrees that the school could help their child. For once, they share unity. Yet the tuition is steep and long-term costs are overwhelming. He says yes for now. But is he fully prepared for years of payments? The calm doesn't last. The next twist changes everything.
It's actually less. I looked it up, and it's 9 months.
Okay.
At $550 will actually be less child support for me in the next year. So I'm not sure but that's what she wanted to do, so I'm saying okay.
Okay. So you guys agree that you would split the $1,100? Is that what I'm understanding?
We agreed that we would split the schooling, but the trouble that we're coming into here is just the length of time. I don't want to go 3 months without having any child support, if that's what he's bringing to case.
The mother isn't asking for years of money, only 3 more months of continued support. Meanwhile, the father argues that switching to tuition payments would actually save him more overall. But she worries about being cut off too soon. This leads the court to examine fairness. Does the law protect her request, or does it lean toward his plan?
3 months without having any child support, if that's what he's bringing to case.
Is that what you're trying to say?
Yeah, if we're talking about splitting the tuition, then we're splitting $1,100 in 9 months. That's less money for the year than if I just continued to pay child support to her. I'm okay with it, so if that's her decision.
What we're disagreeing with is just the length of time. I want to at least receive the $430 for the remaining 3 months if that's what decided. I'm not sure how that works in terms of the court, but
Yeah, unfortunately, it wouldn't work like that. We wouldn't be able to do it like that because then we would be sending a withholding order to your employer for 9 months.
The father agrees to cover tuition, but demands child support stop immediately. She pleads with the court to continue $430 for just 3 more months. Then, in a dramatic turn, the judge delivers an unexpected legal twist. Both parents realize the situation is about to grow more complicated than either of them had imagined from the start.
A withholding order to your employer for 9 months, and then at the 3rd month, have to hope that it reaches them in time enough for the 3 months for it to go down. So it doesn't really work like that. So it either has to be something you guys agree on in terms of what it is, like the amount, the $550, and it will have to continue one for the full year. I mean, you think about it like this. Those 3 months, there are going to be things that your son will probably need while he's with mom that she will be able to get.
Yeah.
Definitely daycare. I mean, that's still...
I mean, I understand she has expenses, but so basically, if she decides that he's going to go to a private school...
The judge stops his idea immediately. She explains support payments can't be paused because legal timelines and employer systems don't adjust overnight. More importantly, the child's needs don't disappear during those months. Clothes, food, activities, all still required. Just when both parents thought things couldn't get heavier, the judge warns that an even bigger shock is still coming.
If she decides that he's going to go to a private school, my child support is going to be raised 12 months a year, even though that's a 9-month decision?
Yeah, because it has to extend through the entire year. Otherwise, based on your tax returns, I can base your child support off of what it should actually be.
No, I think we're okay.
Oh, okay. I was going to say, because
What would that look like?
Well, if we did it based off of your tax returns, again, and your W-2, you make $62,500 a year, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
The judge reviews the father's W-2, and tension fills the courtroom. His yearly income, $62,500. With this number exposed, the judge recalculates everything. Could this increase his payments even higher than expected? The courtroom waits. Suddenly, the judge delivers a figure that takes both parents by surprise, shaking the entire case and forcing new financial realities.
W-2, you make $62,500 a year, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so health insurance, who carries health insurance?
We split it.
Okay, good. You guys, double insured. That's very good. That's very good. So if we did your gross, how much do you pay in health insurance for the child?
Mine is like $60.
$60?
$60 a month is all on.
Okay. So giving you credit for the $60, that'll bring your gross down. Let me see. Minus the $60, that will bring your gross to about, let's say, $5,100.
A surprising discovery emerges. Both parents already provide insurance for their son. That's rare. The judge deducts only $60 from his gross income, a tiny drop compared to the overall amount. Every figure is checked carefully, with nothing overlooked. Yet the real shock still remains. The recalculated monthly support number the father will now be required to pay.
That will bring your gross to about, let's say, $5,100, net at $4,156.64. How many children do you have?
I have 2 other children.
That are under the age of 18?
Yes.
Okay. So that would be 16%. Yeah, your child support would be about $665.
Yeah, I think I'm okay with I'm okay with the
$550.
The $550.
I think the $550 is good too. I think it's good too. And I mean, you guys will be splitting the tuition.
After deductions and counting his 2 other children, the new support amount comes out at $665. The father hesitates, but negotiates down to $550. He accepts, feeling some relief. But before peace settles, another sensitive topic arrives. The mother questions his insurance plan, reopening tension. Just when compromise seemed possible, emotions rise again inside the courtroom.
And I mean, you guys will be splitting the tuition, essentially.
Since your insurance is better than mine, just because of your occupation, is there something, I mean, I am all about protecting our son on both sides, but if he was to have full insurance over our son, is that something that we address here, or is that something that we address outside of court?
Oh no, you can do it on your own independently. You can go ahead and actually drop your insurance if you would like, because he at least is still covered under Dad's insurance, and there would be nothing wrong with that. Okay?
So we'll discuss that after. Okay.
The judge presents a choice. Should the mother cancel her own insurance for their son or keep it? She leaves it to them, showing a rare moment of cooperation between parents who still want the best for their child. Despite the battles, a hint of peace surfaces. Yet one more ruling must come before this case officially ends.
There would be nothing wrong with that. Okay?
So we'll discuss that after. Okay.
Okay. Is that all? You guys have anything else?
I guess, when does it take effect?
It'll take effect the 1st of each month. So
if today's the 3rd, then it doesn't take effect until the 1st of next
until
month.
the 1st of next month, yeah. Okay. All right. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
At last, calm voices replace heated arguments. The judge finalizes the new support order, effective the 1st of next month. After stress, numbers, and emotional back and forth, both parents walk away with a clear plan. It wasn't an easy journey, but their son remains the priority. If you believe in strong parenting and fairness, like, comment, and subscribe.